we have another package. I told you I'm going through a perfume phase, and this one in particular took like 1 semester to arrive. It's from FragranceX. So let me know if any of you have FragranceX from before. Here are the perfumes that I ordered. This is something that I've used from before and was discontinued here in the Philippines. So when I found it on FragranceX, I was so thrilled and excited. Plus, may discount pa. So I'm not sure. Let me know. Authentic ba lahat na sa FragranceX? I have ordered from them before. Mylan Van. One of Mylan Vans from before. And okay naman siya. The perfume was very potent. So the first one is this. This is the Philosophy Amazing Grace. So this is 120 ml and this is an EDP and nakalagay pa intense. So I like that because I'm very intense. Char. So here it is. Oh my god, I'm excited. I love this smell of this perfume. Oh, so fresh. Oh, I love this. It takes me back. This is one of my go-to perfumes or fragrances. This is the only perfume that has floral notes that I like because it's fresh, it's not overpowering, and it's seductive. It's romantic. And you like seductive and romantic, right? This one I'm really excited about. It's Angel by Mugler. I already have the Angel Nova and I'm so in love with that. This one is a little different. We are gonna try this. Oh wow. Wow, this is so different from Angel Nova. This is also floral and I like that it has that musk to it. Yeah, it's growing on me. This one, I haven't tried before. So again, ayun na naman ako, matigas ang ulo. Buying perfume that I haven't tried before. This is highly recommended by the one and only Heart Evangelista, diba? So Angel Nova, I was able to try. I really love it. I am obsessed with that perfume. And this one is a little bit interesting. It's different. Yeah, I'd use this on a Sunday afternoon. Very laid back, very chill. Naglalakad ka lang ng hindi nagmamadali. Meeting up with friends. Ayan, so fresh. But this one is a little more mysterious. It's muskier. I think this is perfect for an evening event. Yeah, it's very interesting. I'm not sure if I really love it though. That's it. So these are the perfumes that I got from FragranceX. I think it's worth the wait, but it really took like 1 semester to get here. So tagal niya. If there's one thing I would like to recommend is that pag sabay-sabay nyo na, just be mindful of the taxes. So because this is a watch page still, what I'm wearing right now is my Omega Constellation. This is a vintage Constellation in two-tone, automatic, 35 mm. So yeah, that's it. Bye! Hi, post-edit Skeeter here. So I read and watched some reviews on Angel, and apparently it is a very polarizing scent. So I'm gonna give it a chance because slowly, I think the after scent, I'm kind of liking it. So I'm gonna test it out. So yeah, I'm gonna give you an update. Bye.